thing I love the most about being in Clwb Ddraig and being within the care sector is being with the parents, being with the children and supporting them, seeing them with their smiles. It's really, really important. I do try and put a smile on every single person's face, and that's where I take a lot from this job.
I'm nominating Becci because her passion for care and play is so inspiring. Throughout the pandemic, she didn't just worry about her business and do everything she could to support the financial hardships that all childcare business faced. She also supported the families and the children with their well-being. She made sure that children still had opportunities to stay in touch with Clwb by providing virtual treasure hunts, online catch-ups and games. She gave parents ideas of various different playthings that she could provide with the children, just so that they still had some of those opportunities for quality play experiences. She is a real inspiration and she deserves the recognition for all the hard work that she does.
Making a difference, just a small difference in somebody's life, has a big impact on me, has a big impact on the rest of the people within Clwb Ddraig, with the children, the staff, and then other families as well. I just love it. Yeah, that's the thing I do love is making that difference, and I feel like we do. I feel that we really, really do make a difference in a lot of families' lives, and that's what I'm really proud of with what we've built.